Okay, so this is going to be a short video on how to do a fast and impressive open with a butterfly knife. First off, the side of the knife with the latch is the sharp side. So you never really want to use that while you're handling it. To operate this, you want to grip the knife with the safe side and let the latch slide hang. Then while you swing it, you rotate the safe side 180 degrees so that the blunt side hits the back of your hand. Then to open the blade, you simply swing it forward, and there you have it. Now to close the blade, you do the exact same thing. Hang the front end forward, rotate it 180 degrees, flip it back, and slam it forward. Now I filmed this at a high frame rate and we'll slow it down so you can see it in detail, but again, here it is.